So if you guys have any questions, please ask me to the right here, and I will happily look at any chart you want me to. Let's start with Ethereum. Quite the drop in USD value this week. I'd like to talk about its mean reversion pivot. Probably better to start with Bitcoin, to be honest, but I would like to wait at least a minute for a few viewers to stroll on in so I can really get this rolling. All right, let's do Bitcoin. Have we activated the mean reversion pivot? That's kind of the important question right now. So let's get ACAT loading, because this is a clean longest over expanded period. It should show up perfectly fine. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Now that is a clean bounce. Yeah, it's 0.03% off from actually hitting it, which is kind of ridiculous. No, yeah, that's perfect. Jesus. No, that's exactly what we want to see happen. That's great, really. Wow. So yeah, longs are good. As long as we stay above this pivot here, we are good to go. We're golden. So, short-term strength, that's for sure. As long as we are above this pivot, I'm going to stay in my long, and we are above the pivot. So, that's that. It's gorgeous. Wow. All right, we can take a look at the 1 hour downward expansion, because it should exist. Right, because this move here should generate mass, and there should be a mean reversion pivot. So if we can identify that, should be good to go. It looks like we need to go on to the 15-minute to get this going. Excellent. So we are looking here at the 230 roughly. Excellent. Yeah, so that's active bullish mean reversion. That's really good. If you want to attempt a short-term long, you can try to enter around 11,540. It should be pretty safe, I'd say. Or you could wait for the bounce again at around 11,400. Either or. Huh, wow. Yeah, bullish mean reversion short-term. So I would expect us to roll up here like that today. Pretty simple chart. Looks really clean. I'm happy with it. Nice. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, just drop your questions in Discord. It'd be way easier for me. Let's check live stream questions. Can I check out BAT? Yes, I can. Wow. A lot of potential energy here on the 15-minute. If this is breaking up, yeah, I think it is. This could be an upward break here. You might see trend continuation. Yeah, that looks clean. If we break this resistance and we actually get the 14 period up above here, that should end up in an upward trend. So short-term bullish, I'd say. 4 hour, we won't get a good reading. This would be a very short-term play. You're just looking to long to a swing high, essentially. Check out link. Yeah, not Gemini. Four hour, let's check if we are still running that trend pivot, shall we? Quad CCI implies long, good. Aren't really generating a logs here. Try the 1 hour. Yeah, indicator timed out. Which is a shame. Honestly, this is pretty noisy. I'm not really getting any good readings. And it doesn't look like we're generating a 1 hour or a 15-minute lux, so I got nothing other than long-term trend as friend. But this has been rather parabolic. I can't make any strong opinions here. Other than, wow, we have absolutely blown that trend out of the water, haven't we? Switch to log here. Yeah, we are way higher than any logical pivot. Which makes this difficult. It's truly parabolic, so taking profit is difficult. Can I talk about FBTC 4 hour versus USD 4 hour? Sure. Interesting. Yeah, let's talk about it. Yeah, that is bearish, eh? Yeah, I would say FBTC is probably the leading predictor. Generally, you want to prioritize the Bitcoin pairing, since essentially the USD pair is derivative. I'm kind of fascinating that oh, this is Bitcoin. Give me the USD. Yeah, I'd say Bitcoin is still bullish. USD is probably going to be a lot more neutral, because if Bitcoin continues up and F goes down, then well, USD is going to go sideways, I'd say. So if I had to predict here on the FUSD pair, I would guess lateral mean reversion. Wow, no questions. All right, you get 1 minute to ask questions, and then I'm done. Looks like that's going to be it. Okay. Well, it's been a pleasure. I will talk to you all Monday. Okay? Have a great weekend, everyone. Ciao.